like this. With a grain of salt, this is Banana. I am back again with another video. So today I'm going to be teaching you on how to properly clone a GitHub project onto Android Studio and successfully run it in a manner as well. While I'll be doing that, I'll be also showing you how the project works. So the videos run about 18-19 minutes. Shouldn't be too long for you all to watch. But if you think you're smart enough, you really know how to do this part, you can just skip ahead to the next section of the video or something. But for those of you that don't know how to clone, so this is the app we cloned. I'm gonna re-clone it again so y'all can see, because I fumbled the recording and shit. Alright then, let's get, there's a whole lot of stuff here. Fine, then just go to new, see here, fine, new. You go to project from version control. You click GitHub, you click your account. Then you see like, say clone. I'm setting chief. See after hitting clone, you're gonna say new win, just so you can see. And then now it's gonna start importing, start doing everything. I will start like taking things left, right, center, doing things you don't know. When here I suggest you go make yourself a cup of coffee. If you like coffee, if you like drinks, go get yourself a drink or something, get some snacks, just settle down, relax, because it's about to be a long journey with this one, because it's taking every single file of code it can from our repository and cloning it to your machine. See, now it's loading, it's setting up the run configurations. We're cooking now, we're getting somewhere, chief. So I advise you, if this thing says upgrade the AGP, just upgrade it, don't fight it, upgrade the thing, move on with life, thing will be Gucci. Alright then, so there's something else I was supposed to show you all, but I think I actually show you all that in the second part of the video, so I'll leave it right here for now. This is everything. Oh yeah. Alright then, I think we're cooking now to this extent. Alright, and look, we're gonna be doing something here. So this thing is still important, but it has already given us some code, so we can kind of dissect what is happening here. So I would assume everything starts here in the main activity, as it should. Yeah, and this one actually does start at the main activity. So there's an event listener for login button here. So there's even comments in this code. You can't be crying much for this one. So you have login, so this is just a button intent, it's just intent, login intent, main activity, this login activity dot class. So it's just telling you where this thing leads. So it leads to like login activity, which is here. The logic for it is typical Firebase logic for login. So you see how it kind of be like this. Usually the code doesn't change. So here we have a hard-coded admin credential, right? So this kind of changes the game a bit in a sense, because now we don't necessarily having someone who's assigned as admin per se, but we only have like this specific person with this specific email to log in as admin, meaning that anyone can be admin so long as they know the credentials and everything. So that's like a security breach in a sense as well. So we have the static Auth, which is for checking whether the user is registered or not with us. The register thing happens here in the register activity. See here, presents an email, presents a password, registration successful. So you can only register if this block of code ran successfully and they gave you like a role, which is the user. Okay, then what else do you have? From here, when you log in, where does it take you? Teaching you how to read this shitty thing. So after you log in, you are sent to either admin if you're admin. If you're not admin, you go to user activity. Okay, where's user activities here? So if user activity here, there's a couple of buttons. You initialize in the view here, then you set up a button initializers. There's the sign out logic as well. Navigate to service selection thing, navigate to settings, check user profile. So there's a whole bunch of functionalities in the user activity itself. I'm thinking this is a class, so this is a Java class illustrating how the data is structured in a sense. So you kind of need to do this if you're going to be transferring data a lot, especially with Java, and using it with something like Firebase in a sense, because you will end up having to incorporate some object-oriented programmingness due to Java being an OOP powered language. So you have to incorporate that part of the OOP aspects into the project, while also catering for the fact that Firebase is a non-relational database, meaning it doesn't necessarily follow the OOP principles to the T as with a language like Java. So do keep that in mind as well. What this class is actually for, it's for so that the information is properly structured. Java can read it and Firebase can read it as well. Alright, so we have booking as well here. This is where the user now does the booking pop, kind of like everything. As well, it's a class. You first have a booking class, then you have a booking adapter, which will now have like the logic the user will be interacting with, and the logic that will be used by the admin as well when they want to confirm like someone's booking, as the booking adapter links to this class as well. See, as it's taken from booking class, which is this class here, so everything there is kind of taken. So we retrieve the booking object from the intent booking. So in our DB, it will be a collection named booking, and that collection will be retrieved in this particular class or this particular activity for it to start working in a sense. So also have save booking to Firestore, show booking to dialog. There's like the way everything is structured is kind of here. This is what, like, when we show them the booking details to the person so they can confirm, and they be like, okay, I confirm this booking type stuff. And then from there you can also edit your profile as a person, so you're not like necessarily stuck to one profile. You can edit the space around, and then there is admin activity first, so you just kind of know where we're at. So admin activity, there is a place where they can go to accepted bookings activity, which is this activity here. So this is the activity the admin actually uses now to either accept or decline a person's booking, right? So they will accept or decline, and then there's an intent here, or there was supposed to be an intent for an email, when now the email is being sent to the person right after the booking has been basically what's accepted or the status has changed in a sense. Other than that though, this application kinda, it's a very small application, I would say. But now let's see if I can run it, and let's see if what I was talking about can actually be backed up by the code. It is gonna be fun, this one. It's a Sunday, the babies are crying. The babies are crying, it's a Sunday. They want me all over, lap them over my stuff. Hey, Joe, I wish I'd done these videos last day. Right now, I'll just be posting and posting and posting. So you see our phone is getting active here. It's getting some motion type shit. So I have some motion here. I think now it's trying to install the application. So you see why I'm not gonna fast forward this thing. I want you guys to also feel the pain of doing Android development. This thing is just a hassle for no reason. Because even though right now I'm waiting for it to patiently just load up the application, and it's taking its own like sweet time in doing so, which is absolutely crazy. But at least there won't be like aspects where you guys didn't see, would say, what did I do? Because you all saw what I did, right? Still on the master branch. I'm still like active with you all, because we started off by taking the application where from this side. Started taking the app this side. Remember, I had a small issue because I was connected to a VPN at that time. But now we had this little issue here where we knew it's okay. The application is kind of like this. There's this happening. There's this happening. This happening. So you see some content that's hidden. Hey Chief, I was cooking this thing, Chief. Compiler X map. Look at this thing, Chief. You see this? Hey, it suits the community there. Yeah, shooting me now. 2000. Yes, 91 files changed. This was one of my best work ever. I'm gonna give you guys just like that. That's crazy. Hey, but though, what can I do? So, what else did I change here? It's different comments. That's the crazy part. So here it's 13 files. Now I was going light. I was also removing stuff because I realized that admin couldn't accept the bookings, and that's because I had coded everything a little bit too soon, rushing to the final process of everything, which is another thing that most people don't actually see in coding. You may be quick, but sometimes slowing down and actually looking at your code and seeing what's happening changes everything, because now you get a perspective that's a little bit more fresh. It's a little bit more less egotistical in terms of, this is my project, I want this project to be kind of like done in a very, and the application is, see, it took like 6 whole minutes to install this thing. It's crazy. Yeah, but it seems to work. So this is the Home Affairs booking app. Just gonna register because it's probably like it's a new account. So I don't know why this thing's so slow though now. Look at how much time it's taking just to switch screens. Crazy. So now I'm gonna register. I always use this email, my go-to email. Kodwa chief, ngekusalungu. Alright, sifake password. So ungayiqinisa-ke wona i-password, yabona uzomakela le gang straight le. Yabo ufake ukuthi into lena ingafaki inamba kanje. Into yakhe yathini ibe nesisindo, gquzu, some shit. I don't know, registration failed. So we failed to register. So let's see. I doubled. No makes it fail this way. When's the else thing I see? Registration successful. Should love ngale kufaka lento le ehlahle show it indaba i-register wami kungahambanga kahle. Oh, lento lena isisha into engazi sangana nto ifoni. Login. Yabona amazi ehanjwa la sisikumunye kumzila manje. Phakathi shiqo. Edit profile la. Yakuphoqa ukuthi ufake imininingwane yakho. Manje uba nenkinga ungayifaka. Vele sikwazi phela now to you can add more info to this page if you want. Because we triggered it in a sense ukuthi wonke umuntu mesafika uzoyi-edit profile. Utayibona and then you save every collection yama-users. Kwakho nje connect to Firebase, so I'll change to unlock later on. Alright, and then you go to select service, as you can see. So I can choose I can't just like do dumb stuff. Then I proceed to time slot selection. It takes its time. Then you're gonna pick the time all of your else. Notice ukuthi asekho isikhathi esingacacile la. Kuyavalwa nje for so nafuna ukufika ngo-1. When I arrive at 1, I confirm my booking. 6 of the dialogue nje. So this is the booking dialogue thing. What you're seeing right now, this little card holder thing. Yeah, confirm this thing to suck. See how it's even sending a message to the phone. Crazy shit. So yeah, now the booking has been successfully done. I sign out. So now we have to get in as this admin guy. You can change the admin credentials if you want to something more suiting for you. But me, I am comfortable with these ones. It makes my life easy. Alright, then we log in as admin. You're gonna go see now how it looks that side. Yeah, I just gotta give it some time. I think it has its own time lag or something. But I think when you run it like on a device, it's easier. Login failed. Something's off. Yeah, no, it's shitty thing. Admin 1, 2, 3. Login. Alright then, so you can see like the bookings that I so currently we have no accepted bookings, right? See, it's nothing there. So I accept this booking. It just took me out of the app. Crazy. Huh. Why did it take me out of the app? Look at. Alright, okay, that's actually, they're gonna be checking the log cut as we proceed with the app. And then 1, 2, 3. Alright, keep checking the thing. So it worked. Oh, just that. I think it was because I went to site first, so we did not calibrate it to like. If you go to view bookings and then you come back, you accept a booking, it's gonna give you glitches. So we did not calibrate it to kind of work in that two-way type of way. It was more one-way custom manner where it just vies from bookings, pending bookings, and then if you accept it, it vies to accepted bookings. If not, then it goes to declined bookings. But this is the whole booking system of the Home Affairs mobile app. Feel free to take the code and do whatever you want with it. Don't really care. Another thing, make sure you subscribe, because I've been doing now, it's like episode 3. So I first showed you like the normal booking system, what it looks like, and then I showed you the Home Affairs one, which was built with Python Flask, and now this is another one as well, with login, with register, with the booking system working with Firestore. So please show some love, show some appreciation, subscribe to the channel. This is the Planet 9 AI. Shit. This is Planet 9 AI, and I'm gonna be signing out, people. Thank you very much for watching the video. See you in the next one.